has the potential to improve decision-making and automate tasks in various fields. Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning where machines are trained on unlabeled data, meaning that the data is not categorized or classified. The machine learns to identify patterns and relationships in the data without any prior knowledge of what the data represents. Unsupervised learning can be further classified into two categories: clustering and association. Clustering. In clustering, the goal is to group similar data points together based on their features or attributes. For example, a clustering algorithm might be used to group customers based on their purchasing behavior. Association. In association, the goal is to find patterns or associations between different features or attributes of the data. For example, an association rule mining algorithm might be used to identify which products are frequently purchased together. Unsupervised learning algorithms include k-means clustering, hierarchical clustering, and principal component analysis. These algorithms are trained on the unlabeled data, and their performance is evaluated based on their ability to identify patterns and relationships in the data. Unsupervised learning is used in various applications, such as anomaly detection, market basket analysis, and data compression. It has the potential to identify hidden patterns in data and provide insights into complex systems.